For centuries, the vast expanse of the ocean has been a battleground, a trade route, and a source of mystery. From the earliest wooden ships to modern warships, one thing has remained constant: the paramount importance of accurate navigation. Without the ability to pinpoint their location, determine their course, and safely navigate hazards, ships are adrift at sea, vulnerable to the whims of nature and the perils of the deep. In the modern naval context, the need for precise and reliable navigation systems has become even more critical. As warships patrol vast distances, engage in complex maneuvers, and operate in challenging environments, their navigation systems serve as their lifeline, guiding them safely and effectively to their destinations. In a significant leap forward for naval technology, the Royal Navy's Type 31 frigates are being outfitted with state-of-the-art navigation systems developed by Exail, a renowned leader in maritime navigation and positioning solutions. These advanced systems, known as the Marine Series, represent a new era in naval navigation, providing unparalleled accuracy, reliability, and resilience. The Marine systems are specifically designed to meet the demanding requirements of modern naval operations, offering a comprehensive suite of navigation and positioning capabilities. From basic route planning and monitoring to sophisticated integration with other onboard systems, the Marine systems empower naval commanders and crews with an unprecedented level of situational awareness and control. At the heart of the Marine systems lies a combination of cutting-edge technologies that work in unison to provide unparalleled navigation capabilities. These systems leverage the precision of global navigation satellite systems, such as GPS and Galileo, to determine the ship's position with pinpoint accuracy, even in the most challenging environments. Moreover, the Marine systems incorporate advanced inertial navigation systems, which provide continuous and independent position, velocity, and attitude data, even when GNSS signals are unavailable. This redundancy ensures that the ship's navigation system remains operational in the face of jamming, interference, or other disruptions. Section 4. Charting a new course benefits for the Type 31 frigates. The integration of Exail's Marines navigation systems into the Royal Navy's Type 31 frigates brings a plethora of benefits, enhancing their operational effectiveness, safety, and overall mission success. Firstly, the enhanced accuracy and reliability of the Marine systems enable the frigates to navigate with greater precision, reducing the risk of grounding, collision, or other navigational hazards. This is particularly crucial in littoral environments where the frigates are expected to operate close to shore, often in congested waters. Secondly, the Marine systems integration capabilities allow for seamless data sharing with other onboard systems, such as combat management systems, radar systems, and electronic warfare systems. This enhanced situational awareness enables the frigates to operate more effectively in complex and dynamic environments, making informed decisions based on real-time information. Section 5. Out with the old, in with the new. A comparison of navigation systems. The Marines navigation systems represent a significant upgrade over the older systems previously employed on Royal Navy vessels. While traditional systems often relied on a single or limited number of navigation sensors, the Marine systems employ a multi-sensor approach, fusing data from multiple sources to provide a more robust and reliable navigation solution. This multi-sensor integration not only improves accuracy, but also enhances the system's resilience against interference or malfunction. Furthermore, the Marine system's advanced processing capabilities enable them to provide real-time navigation solutions, even in highly dynamic environments, unlike older systems that may have experienced delays or inaccuracies. Section 6. Exail, the masterminds behind the Marine system. Exail, the company behind the Marines navigation systems, is a global leader in the design, development, and manufacturing of high-performance navigation, positioning, and inertial systems. With decades of experience in the maritime domain, Exail has established itself as a trusted partner to navies and maritime organizations worldwide. The company's commitment to innovation and technological excellence is evident in the advanced features and capabilities of the Marines systems. Exail's expertise in inertial navigation, GNSS technology, and sensor fusion has enabled them to create navigation systems that meet the stringent requirements of modern naval operations. Section 7. Smooth sailing ahead. Impact on Royal Navy operations. The integration of Exail's Marin's navigation systems into the Royal Navy's Type 31 frigates is poised to have a transformative impact on the Navy's operations, enhancing their capabilities across a wide range of missions. The enhanced accuracy, reliability, and resilience of these systems will enable the frigates to operate more effectively in challenging environments, from the littorals to the open ocean. Moreover, the Marin system's advanced integration capabilities will enhance the frigate's situational awareness, enabling them to respond more rapidly and decisively to evolving threats. As the Royal Navy continues to adapt to the changing nature of maritime security, the Marin's navigation systems will undoubtedly play a vital role in ensuring the safety and effectiveness of its fleet.